All right, get ready because today we're going to deep dive into Notebook LM.
Ooh, this should be fun.
It's a pretty wild tool. It's like having a personal business consultant.
Really?
Yeah, but one that's like read all your notes and plans and stuff.
Okay, now I'm interested.
So basically, you upload everything, your business plans or even scripts, and then you add in any expert advice you've found, like, articles or whatever.
And then what?
The AI analyzes all of it.
That sounds a lot like those AI chatbots everyone's talking about.
Yeah, but it's way more than that.
How so?
Well, with Notebook LM, it's like it combines your unique stuff with this, like, general knowledge.
So it gives you insights that are customized to you.
Exactly.
I'm starting to see the potential here.
The stuff I sent you, they had this great example, this YouTuber who runs a channel called the AI Grid.
Okay, yeah?
He wanted to, like, really level up his channel, take it to the next level.
Sure.
So he uploaded all his video transcripts.
All of them?
Yeah, and then, like, a ton of articles, about the best YouTube strategies for 2025.
Wow, that's a lot of data.
And the AI actually analyzed it all.
So what happened?
Well, it's like by giving the AI his content and all that strategy stuff, it's like he's also giving it a profile of his audience,
That makes sense, yeah.
And then the AI can use that to make recommendations that are really specific to him and his channel.
That's pretty smart.
But get this, the AI actually created like a whole podcast episode. It was analyzing his channel.
Whoa, like it was doing a strategy session?
Yes, like a mock strategy session. But here's the crazy part. It pinpointed that, like, his most popular videos,
Yeah.
they were all like this very specific style of AI analysis.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
So it was like he was sitting on a gold mine, but he didn't even realize it.
That's a really cool way to like uncover those hidden patterns, the things that are working, but maybe you just haven't noticed yourself. I bet a lot of people listening could apply this to their own work, like what sources do you have that could be analyzed with this? It could be work projects or like creative stuff, anything really.
And here's another thing you can use it to get customer feedback on, like a product.
Before you even launch it.
Exactly.
Wow, that's powerful.
So you take like your sales page or even one from a competitor.
Okay.
And the AI will make a podcast episode. It's so weird of customers talking about it.
Oh, wow.
Like what they like, what they don't like,
That's such a cool way to see your work from like different perspectives, before you put it out there in the real world.
Yeah, and the AI could be pretty brutal, which is good.
Yeah, got to be ready for that honest feedback.
Yeah, but of course, real customers are always going to be the best feedback, right?
For sure, but this is like a great first step.
They have this example, this nutrition company,
Yeah.
the AI podcast. It said people loved the headline of the sales page.
Okay.
And that they were doing like a discount. But it also said that like what the product actually did wasn't clear.
Ooh, yeah, that's important.
So like imagine using that for your own writing, like your website or a presentation, even an email.
Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to get that kind of feedback before sending something important? It could really help you polish things up.
Okay, but let's switch gear for a sec.
Okay.
Content creation. Everyone's doing it, right?
Yeah, it's a crazy world out there.
So how do you stand out? How do you create something unique when it feels like everything's already been done?
Right, that's the million-dollar question.
And that's where Notebook LM is so cool because it can combine all these sources, right, to make something totally new.
Oh, I see. So instead of just getting overwhelmed by all this information, it actually helps you make sense of it.
Exactly.
Which is a huge skill these days.
Yeah, like it's not enough to just like know stuff. You have to be able to connect the dots and all that.
It's all about critical thinking.
So they used the Tyson Fury USC fight as an example.
Oh, yeah, that was a big one.
So the AI took like all the news articles and social media reactions.
And the expert commentary, I read about this one, it was crazy.
And it made a blog post and a bunch of Twitter threads.
All from those same sources, but with different angles and stuff, right?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Imagine like the time you'd save.
Yeah, and think of the like creative inspiration too. It's not just summarizing, it's creating something new.
So what complex topics could you explore using this?
That's a good question.
So we've seen how Notebook LM can be like a consultant, right?
Right.
And like a customer feedback group and a content creation machine.
Yeah, it's pretty versatile.
And it's all personalized for you. It's kind of blowing my mind.
It really makes you think about how AI is changing things, Like we used to think of AI for like simple tasks, but now it's like AI is becoming a real thought partner, helping us come up with strategies and analyze stuff.
Totally.
And what I find really interesting about Notebook LM is how it's all about generating those personalized insights.
And I think
that personalization thing, that's key, Like one of the biggest challenges in business is just staying ahead of the curve.
Totally. Especially nowadays, right? Like the market's always changing so fast.
It's great. How do you even keep up? It's like you master one thing and then bam, it's already obsolete.
Right. It's like playing catch up constantly.
Yeah, exactly. And that's where I think Notebook LM gets really interesting. What if you had an AI that could actually help you, like anticipate those changes?
Wait, hold on. Are you saying AI can predict the future now? Is that what you're saying?
Not exactly predict, but it can definitely give you a glimpse into what's coming next.
Okay, I'm listening.
So imagine, right, AI that analyzes all this data, news articles, social media, market reports, all of it, and it can spot these patterns and trends that we as humans might miss.
Okay, so instead of just reacting to change, we can actually, like, anticipate it.
Exactly, you're getting it. And that means you can get a leg up on the competition.
Makes sense. And Notebook LM is especially good at this because it can analyze both general data and your own specific business data, right?
Exactly. It's like having a custom-built crystal ball just for your business.
All right, now you've got me hooked. Give me an example. Walk me through it.
Okay, so let's say you're a fashion retailer, right? You upload all your data into Notebook LM.
Sales data, customer info, all that.
Exactly, all the good stuff. And then you add in a bunch of articles about upcoming fashion trends, social media buzz, maybe even some economic forecasts.
I'm with you. Keep going.
So then the AI goes to work, it crunches all that data and identifies the key trends that are going to impact your business.
So it might see, like, a growing demand for sustainable clothing, or that athleisure is about to be huge.
Exactly. And then instead of being blindsided by these changes, you can start planning ahead.
That's amazing. You can adjust your inventory, your marketing, even design new products.
It's like having a secret weapon. You're always one step ahead.
This is mind-blowing. But even with all this predictive power, there's still going to be some uncertainty, right? I mean, things happen.
Of course, the future is never set in stone. There will always be surprises.
Right.
But AI can give us these really valuable insights, It can help us make better decisions, smarter decisions.
So it's not about blindly following the AI, but more about using it as a guide.
Exactly. You said it perfectly. We still need to use our own judgment and experience to navigate the world.
This is really making me think about the potential of AI in a whole new way.
Me too. And honestly, I think we're just scratching the surface. As these tools keep evolving, who knows what we'll be able to do.
It's exciting to think about, but we've been talking a lot about business. What about regular people?
Good point. Not all of us are CEOs or marketing gurus.
Exactly. So how can people use AI in their daily lives?
That's a great question. And the answer is in countless ways. Think about it. Imagine you're a student struggling to keep up with classes.
Been there.
You could upload all your notes, your textbook, even old assignments into the Notebook LM, and then you could ask it to create a study guide.
Oh, wow. A personalized study guide. That would have been a lifesaver back in my school days.
Exactly. Or let's say you're a writer working on a novel.
Okay, yeah.
You could feed Notebook LM your drafts, your character sketches, your research, even your favorite books.
And it could help you with the plot. Or, like, flesh out the characters.
Exactly. It's like having a personal editor and a writing coach all in one.
Wow, the possibilities are endless.
They really are. You could use it to plan a vacation, research a new hobby, or just learn something new.
So it's not just about business or school. It's about using AI to enhance any area of your life where you want to learn or grow.
Exactly, you got it. And that's what I find so exciting about this technology. It can empower us in ways we never thought possible.
It's like AI is becoming this ultimate personal assistant.
Right, helping us learn faster, work smarter, achieve our goals.
Exactly. And as these tools become more and more accessible,
I think we're going to see an explosion of creativity and innovation. People will be able to do amazing things.
I can't wait to see what the future holds. But before we get too carried away, let's remember, most of us aren't running big companies. We're just regular people.
That's true. It's easy to get caught up in all the flashy applications.
Yeah, so for someone who's not a CEO or a tech expert, how do they even get started with using AI in their everyday life?
That's a great question. And honestly, it's easier than you might think. The first step is just creating an account on the Notebook LM platform.
Okay, and then what?
Then you got to think about what you want to achieve with it. What are your goals? Do you want to get business insights, improve your writing, learn a new skill?
And then you start gathering your sources.
Exactly. Collect any relevant data you can find, articles, blog posts, your own notes, even social media posts.
And the more diverse your sources, the better.
Absolutely. And once you have everything, you just upload it all into Notebook LM.
And the platform, it helps you organize everything, right?
Exactly. You can create different notebooks for different projects. It's super user-friendly.
And then comes the fun part, asking questions and getting insight.
Exactly. Be clear with your questions and don't be afraid to experiment with different ways of phrasing things.
So there's no one right way to use Notebook LM.
Nope. It's all about exploring and finding what works for you.
This has been so eye-opening, seriously. Thanks for walking us through all of this.
It's been my pleasure. I'm glad we could share these ideas with everyone.
So as we've learned how to use Notebook LM, we've seen some really cool examples of what it can do, and we've even talked about how regular people can benefit from it.
We've covered a lot of ground, that's for sure.
But I think it's important to remember AI is still in its early stages. years, right? This is just the beginning.
Exactly. What we're seeing today is just a glimpse of what AI will be capable of in the future.
It's not a magic solution to all our problems, but it's a powerful tool.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or bad.
That's true. We need to be responsible with AI. We need to think about its impact.
We have to ask ourselves some tough questions. How do we make sure AI benefits everyone? How do we prevent bias? These are things we need to think about.
Big questions for sure, but they're important questions.
Absolutely. The choices we make today will shape the future of AI.
It's easy to get excited about all the cool things AI can do,
Oh, yeah.
but we can't lose sight of the bigger picture.
Right. It's about finding that balance between harnessing its power and making sure it develops in a way that's ethical and responsible.
This whole conversation has been a real wake-up call for me.
Me too. It's made me realize that we're not just passive observers in all of this. We're shaping the future of AI with every decision we make.
And that's both exciting and a little scary.
Definitely. But it's a challenge we need to embrace.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, from personalized business insights to the ethical implications of AI.
It's been quite a journey.
Thanks again for joining us on this deep dive into Notebook LM.
It's been a pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there, remember, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the possibilities of AI. The future is in our hands.
Let's make it a good one. So we've learned how to use this Notebook LM thing and seen some pretty cool examples of what it can do.
Yeah, and how it's not just for, big companies, right? Regular people can use it, too.
Absolutely. But, it's important to remember that, with all this AI stuff,
Yeah.
we're still just getting started.
It feels like it's changing so fast, though.
It is. It really is. What we're seeing today with Notebook LM and all these other tools, it's just the tip of the iceberg.
Kind of hard to wrap your head around.
I know, right? But that's why it's so important to, have these conversations and really think about it.
Because it's not like AI is this magic solution, right?
Exactly. It's a tool, that's all. And like any tool, it can be used in different ways.
For good or for bad.
Exactly. So we need to be careful. We need to be responsible.
Think about the impact it could have.
Yeah, how do we make sure AI benefits everyone, not just a select few?
And how do we prevent bias from, creeping into these systems?
Those are the tough questions we got to be asking ourselves.
Yeah, and I don't think there are easy answers.
Nope, but it's something we got to figure out, Because the choices we make today, they're going to shape the future of all this.
It's a lot of responsibility.
It is, but it's also exciting, We have the chance to really make a difference here.
To steer things in the right direction.
Exactly.
Well, this has been an incredible deep dive into Notebook LM.
I agree. I've learned a lot.
It's really made me think about AI in a whole new way.
Me too.
And I hope it's done the same for our listeners.
I hope so too.
So as we wrap up, I just want to say, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the possibilities of AI.
It's an amazing world out there.
The future is in our hands.
Let's make it a good one.
Well,